Okay guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna make a Ital stew, just beans. Ital is vital guys. So as you can see over here, I got the peas cooking already. It's scallion. So here's all the ingredients you're gonna need. First up, I use this peas, red peas, Goya, small red beans. I'm gonna use 3 white Irish potato and pure cream coconut from Grace. I'm gonna use 1 white onion, yellow onion. Over here we have some fresh thyme, 1 purple onion. I'm gonna use a small handful of okra, 3 carrots, and I'm gonna use half this pumpkin right here. And I'm also gonna add half this ripe plantain, and I'm also gonna add chicken Maggi soup it up mix as well guys. So that's it. So I'm gonna cut up all the ingredients, see, and put them together. So yes guys, I also have a green scotch bonnet pepper. So here I already cut up everything. Green scotch bonnet pepper to go in the pot later on, and I'm gonna put the okra last. So what I'm gonna do guys, I put some pumpkin over here, so that's to use cook while I'm gonna put some pumpkin into the pot right now. Let it cook with the peas, pumpkin, and I'm leaving back some in the dish for later on. Let the pumpkin cook with the peas for now. So we're gonna let the pumpkin cook with the peas, and when it almost cooked, then we're gonna add the rest of the ingredients. See. So guys, after an hour cooking the peas, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna add the rest of vegetable to the pot right now. So the peas is almost cooked, so I'm gonna add all the vegetables. Let that boil. Okay guys, so I'm gonna let that boil for probably another hour and a half. Yeah, about that time. Check that out guys, put that in. Looking lovely. So I'm gonna add the okra last because okra is very easy to cook. Okay guys, so now I'm gonna add the Grace cream coconut. So here we go. I'm gonna add about half. Yeah, about that amount. No matter what coconut milk you use, you can use a natural coconut milk. You can use the one in the can. Whichever you have, you just use. Yeah, look at that. Smelling good. Looking good too guys. Also guys, I'm gonna add the okra this moment. Look at that beautiful. Yes, that looking beautiful, that looking airy. Yeah man, real Rastaman thing. Also over here guys, got the Jamaican scotch bonnet pepper. Gonna add that also. This is scallion, spring onion. Also have fresh thyme. Guys, so I'm gonna give that a stir. Looking lovely guys. Ital stew, check it out. I'm also gonna cut up a piece of scotch bonnet pepper. Here we go guys, I'm gonna use a little piece scotch bonnet pepper. Add a little spice, a piece more. Add a little spice to the pot. So it's looking lovely. Here guys, I'm gonna add some garlic powder. little bit of garlic powder, just a tiny bit, some onion powder, not much. And what we're gonna do, guys, we're gonna add soup it up, Jamaican cock soup mixed with pumpkin, and I'm gonna use a little bit of the soup it up chicken noodle. So what I'm gonna do, guys, I'm gonna strain the noodle. All I want is a seasoning, so I'm gonna use a strainer to strain the noodles. So you can see what I'm doing here, guys. I'm severing it. All I want is a seasoning. See that, guys? That's to give the pot nice delicious taste. That's my guys, it's gonna be delicious. So I'm gonna throw those noodles away. If you like the noodles, if you like these little noodles, you can add it to your pot, but I don't want it in the what I'm cooking right now. Here's, look at that color, looking lovely. Ital stew. Could call it even Ital soup. Looking lovely, guys, gorgeous. Gonna let it cook for probably another 20 minutes. Then I'm gonna turn it off and then serve. Okay, guys, check it out. Finished product, looking very lovely. Ital soup, Ital stew, whichever you want to call it. Remember, guys, to like, subscribe, and share. Please leave a comment also for more videos. Support the channel so I can make more lovely dishes. Leave a comment on what you want me to make next, and I will gladly do so.